Every component of a Formula Student car tells a story. A story of late nights, relentless testing, and students determined to push the boundaries of engineering. We are Team Falcone Racing, a group of engineering undergraduates from the University of Maratua who built our own Formula Student electric race car. From the first sketch to the final assembly, every component is designed, manufactured, and tested by our team. From supporting the manufacturing of our pedal box assembly to providing essential heat treatment facilities, the support of the Industrial Development Board has helped us maintain the highest standards of quality and engineering excellence. As a bronze partner of Team Falcone Racing, the Industrial Development Board has played a vital role in helping us overcome technical and financial challenges on our journey so far. On behalf of our entire team, thank you for believing in our vision and supporting the next generation of Sri Lankan engineers.